Marhaba. This is Yaman from community of Babel, and in this video we're going to talk about demonstratives or demonstrative pronouns in Syrian dialect. Demonstratives in Arabic or the Syrian dialect are similar to the English this, that, these, or those. The only difference is that demonstratives in Arabic differentiate between feminine and masculine words. For example, the first one we have is had. Had means this, while in English this is used for both feminine and masculine words. Had in Arabic is used for only masculine words. For example, had الولد. Had الولد. Had الولد means this boy. Boy is masculine singular word, so we use had. Second one is hay. Hay means this for feminine words. For example, hay البنت. hay البنت. hay البنت means this girl. So this had and this hay are used for singular words. Had for masculine and hay for feminine. Now, for the second demonstrative is that. That in Arabic or Syrian dialect means hadak. Hadak. For example, hadak الكتاب. hadak الكتاب. It means that book. That book. Next we have hadik. Hadik. For example, hadik السيارة. hadik السيارة. It means that car. That car. It's used for feminine singular words. Note that in Arabic we don't have the pronoun it. So any word in Arabic it's either masculine or feminine. So car is treated as a girl. They are both singular feminine words. Next we have the plural demonstratives. We have hadol. Hadol, it means these. For example, hadol الأولاد. hadol الأولاد. These boys. Next we have hadulik. Hadulik. It means those. For example, hadulik البنايات. hadulik البنايات. It means those buildings. Those buildings. So, as you see, in Arabic we have had, hay are used for close singular words. Hadak, hadik are used for far singular words. Hadol, hadulik are used for plural words. Hadol for close plural words, and hadulik for far plural words. Thank you for watching. We appreciate if you like this video. See you in other videos.